हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड आई होप दैट कि आप लेक्चर्स देख रहे होंगे प्रोडक्शन थ्योरी। हम इस वक्त हमारे लेक्चर्स प्रोडक्शन थ्योरी पे चल रहे हैं एंड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड डिफरेंट लेक्चर्स, डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स, प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट. नाउ the lecture which is basically linked with the production theory, an important thing from the production manager's perspective, and any student that is learning the macroeconomics analysis. So cost function, we are interested to drive the cost function. So first of all, we will understand that we discuss about the cost minimization, in which we will understand the labor and capital. So what is the relationship of the earlier lecture, the cost shapes, cost minimization tendency, and the cost function. So first of all, we are understanding the cost function is not a very rocket science, simple. Basically it is a function of the input cost and output level. Very simple. What is happening? If you are the manager, if you are production manager, you are interested to discuss about the cost, and you are saying that what will be the cost, and we are not discussing in a simple cost. We want to establish on the basis of data function that will guide us कि हम क्या डालें और हमें क्या कॉस्ट मिल जाए, या हम क्या रखना चाहेंगे हमें क्या कॉस्ट मिल जाएगी. तो एक फंक्शन बन जाएगा पूरा, and it is a mathematical function, so that mean it is a deterministic function. And we will determine the cost on the basis of given inputs. So cost simple decide होगी, that's mean what are the prices of the input, that's mean input cost, input prices, and how many units you want to produce, what is the level of your production, what is the level of your output. If you have two things, you are truly determined, truly decided what are these, so you can easily find out the cost. अब ये तो हो गई एक सिंपल सी बात, तो उसको हम मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन में लिखने की कोशिश भी करते हैं कि कॉस्ट जो है बेसिकली वो आपका बन जाएगी कि कॉस्ट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ आर, डब्ल्यू एंड क्यू, इनपुट प्राइसेस एंड आउटपुट लेवल. वेरी सिंपल. नाउ if you want to interested in the average cost, very simple. The average cost will be mean if you will divide the cost which is coming from this function by the total output. And if you want to take the marginal cost, so simple, the marginal cost, that's mean you will find out कि अगर होंगे, देखें इनपुट प्राइस तो सेम है, हर आउटपुट में चेंजेस करने से आपको मार्जिनली कॉस्ट में कितना फ़र्क पड़ेगा. तो डेफिनेटली यू विल टेक बेसिकली द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस, सो यू कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट द मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. ये तो हमारे पास एवरेज कॉस्ट, मार्जिनल कॉस्ट, टोटल कॉस्ट, एंड दिस इज अ कॉस्ट. अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि what is our question कि how can we find out the cost function. This is our task, this is our problem, and we can understand that there are different simple steps that we will follow, and we can find out it. Number one, you know that you have a cost line, okay? Anybody knows about it? I think so, because we have discussed a lot about it. Cost line, so cost line. And you know that if it is a cost line, so that means the firm is following a production function, and this is the production function. So simple, if we will run the problem of the cost minimization, so we will set up the Lagrange in which we will put the cost line here plus lambda and q minus this is a function. And if we start the three steps, partial derivative with respect to L, partial derivative with respect to capital, partial derivative with respect to lambda, इससे आपको तीन इक्वेशन मिलेंगी, इक्वेशन 1, इक्वेशन 2, इक्वेशन 3. और जब इनको आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो आप बेसिकली कंटिंजेंट फैक्टर डिमांड फंक्शन निकालने की पोजीशन में आ जाएंगे, या आप सिंपल कॉस्ट मिनिमाइजेशन की प्रॉब्लम में या कंडीशनल फैक्टर डिमांड फंक्शन या कंटिंजेंट डिमांड फंक्शन का जो हमारा लेक्चर है उसको देख सकते हैं कि हमने ये कैसे निकाले। नाउ वी आर वन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट फंक्शन। यहाँ तक आपको बहुत सिंपल काम था जो हमने माजी के लेक्चर्स में किया हुआ है। इफ़ वी हैव दिस conditional demand factor demand function, contingent demand factor function, so just we will plug these conditional factor in our cost equation. Basically C is equal to WL plus RK, and we will plug, that means C is equal to WL star plus RK star. So it will become basically a function of R, W, R and Q. This is the cost function. So this is the mathematical concept. This is the theoretical definition. But until and unless we will not solve the problem, so we cannot understand this topic completely. So for your easiness, I perform a specific example and we will just discuss and we can find out how can we determine the cost function. So this is the cost equation. This is the production function, very simple function that I am taking for you, and by using the same idea, same pattern, you can calculate the many other things. So when we have to follow the cost minimization steps as we discussed here, so simple, we set up the Lagrange multiplier and we have the equation of the Lagrange multiplier. So we take the derivative of this equation with respect to the choice variable L, labor, and we got this equation. And when we take the derivative of this Lagrange equation with the choice variable capital K, so we got this equation. And simply if we will take the derivative of this equation with respect to the lambda, so we will, the all will be 0, and then we simply will get this. When we will solve these three equations, and this is basically equation number 1 and 2 and 3, and we are equating these equations equal to 0, and just simply this minus sign will be converted into the plus sign. If this term will go the other side, same will happen here, same will happen here. And just we are solving these two equations, dividing 1 and 2, W over R is equal to this and this. So the lambda and 0.5 has been cancelled out, and then we will solve it. So this is a negative 0.5, this is a positive, and it will go in the denominator. So what will happen, and this is a negative 1, it will go to the upward. So what will happen here is a negative 1. So what will happen actually, the K over L is equal to W over L, W over R, so, and K over L. And if we will solve it for K, so what will happen, so if we will solve for the K, so the L will go this side, so it will be the WL over R is equal to K. And similarly if we will solve for the L, so the W will go in the bottom and R will go in the multiplication. So the RK over W is equal to L. So this is the simple equations, values of the L and K, and we will plug here in the equation 3. So what we are basically achieving, we are achieving the factor, conditional factor demand function, contingent factor demand function. We plug here the same one and apply the power of the 0.5 on the K. So the K, this K and this K, the basis same, the power will add and the K will raise to power 1. And the remaining R over W, the whole power is 0.5, very simple. Simple, the 0.5 whole power W over R, and this L and this L will make the power 1. Now we will solve for this equation for the K to find out the optimal capital. So this W over R will go on the other side, so it will the Q, and W over R, the figures will reverse due to the going on the other side, and the raised to power same. So this is basically the main important function that we have received. Similarly, if we are solving for the L, so this figure is going to the other side, so it will the Q and R over W raised to power 0.5. so this is an optimal value of the L that we have received. यहाँ तक हमने जस्ट एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व की है, कॉस्ट मिनिमाइजेशन की, कोई न्यू स्टेप इसमें परफॉर्म नहीं किया है। जब हम ये दोनों ले लेते हैं, यहाँ तक हम अपनी बात को पहुँचा दिया था कि जब हम इसको रिसीव कर लेते हैं, देन वी प्लग इन द कॉस्ट इक्वेशन एंड देन वी गॉट दिस cost function. Now we are going to the further step here, and we are saying that it should be separated. So the cost equation is showing that the WL plus RK, so the C is equal to W. W में जब आपने ये L यहाँ पे लेके आना है, तो ये L आपके पास है Q, R पावर 0.5, W पावर 0.5, हमने अप्लाई कर दिए पावर, वेरी सिंपल। आपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन ब्रैकेट बंद कर दिया, प्लस आप R के साथ हैं, आपने K ले लिया, K में आपके पास Q और W रेज टू पावर 0.5, R रेज टू पावर 0.5. Now you just have to solve it and simple you can find the cost function. This is W raised to power 1, this is W raised to power 0.5. तो अगर आप देखें कि इसमें पावर 1 है, इसमें 0.5 है, दोनों तरीके हो सकते हैं कि अगर आप इस W को डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमिनेटर में ले जाएं तो ये नेगेटिव 0.5 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव 1 होगा, तो 1 माइनस नेगेटिव 0.5 इज इक्वल टू W पावर 0.5. या इसको तरीका ये भी है कि इस W से इस W को जब आप कैंसिल करेंगे तो यहाँ पर एक पावर थी, यहाँ आधी पावर थी, तो यहाँ ऊपर जो है वो आधी पावर रह जाएगी। दोनों तरीक़ों से आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। What will be the remaining one? The C is equal to 0 W power 0.5, R power 0.5 and Q is there plus. The same thing will happen here with R, and we will have the W power 0.5, R power 0.5 and Q. The both terms are same, then they can be added easily. So what is the basically the cost? The cost is 2Q W power 0.5 R power 0.5. So this is your the cost function by using this condition. और आप गौर से देखिए कि हमने यही कहा था कि cost function is the function of W, R and Q. So whatever amount of the production you want to plug here, whatever wage rate and capital rate you will plug here, so you can easily find out the cost of production, and I think you learn about it. So please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.